Hi, I'm Tim Sandifer. I'm a senior staff attorney here at the Pacific Legal Foundation. I want to talk about McDonald versus City of Chicago. This is one of the most important Supreme Court cases in decades, and it's going to be decided this summer by the United States Supreme Court. This is a case involving gun rights, specifically whether or not the Second Amendment's guarantee that each individual has the right to possess firearms is something that states are also required to respect. The Second Amendment, of course, in its original terms, only protects people against the federal government. But the 14th Amendment says that no state may deprive people of certain constitutional rights. And it does so in three ways. First, it says that individuals cannot be deprived of due process of law. Then it says they can't be deprived of equal protection of the law. And it also says they may not be deprived of the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States. And that's the important question in the McDonald versus Chicago. What are the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States? Although the plaintiffs in this case are arguing that that also includes the right to possess firearms, Pacific Legal Foundation, joined by the Cato Institute, filed a brief in this case arguing that it guarantees a wide variety of other individual freedoms. And specifically, it guarantees the individual's freedom to earn an honest living without unreasonable government interference. When you look back at the history of the adoption of the 14th Amendment in the mid-19th century, it turns out that the authors of that amendment believed that the right to earn a living at a gainful trade without unreasonable interference by the government was a fundamental right of all American citizens. Here at the Foundation, I help run our Economic Liberty Project to protect the right of entrepreneurs and America's wealth creators to earn a living, run their own companies, hire people, and do a good job out there without being interfered with by state bureaucrats who think that they have a better idea of how we ought to live our lives. If the Supreme Court reinvigorates the privileges and immunities clause of the 14th Amendment, it could very well spell a new dawn of freedom not only for people who want to have security in their right to possess firearms, but also the right of entrepreneurs and hardworking Americans to earn an honest living at their own businesses. For more information on this case, you can check out our weblog at plf.typepad.com.